Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope you're doing great because it is a fabulous day, and today I am going to be showing you how to make a raw cucumber avocado soup. So if you want to know more about this, I'm going to go through the ingredients, but the most important thing is that you need a blender. Now I'm using my NutriBullet RX because I love it, because I can make hot soups and I can make cold soups. This is the one I'm using, but you can use whichever blender you want. Now this is a cold soup that can be also served hot. This is a soup that you can prepare raw or that you can cook. So I am going to be doing something in between, because my NutriBullet doesn't really, let's say, it doesn't saute something. It won't cook it completely, but it'll heat it up. So I'm going to show you the ingredients I'm going to be using. I'm going to have some lemon or lime, actually in this case. I'm going to have some garlic. I'll be using some yogurt, that's plain yogurt. I'm going to be using the Better Than Bouillon. I love this Better Than Bouillon. I love it. Salt and pepper, some cayenne. Is that how you pronounce it? Cayenne? I don't know. Cayenne. Cayenne, I think that's it. Cayenne pepper. I love cayenne pepper. And you're supposed to use avocado, and they were too hard. They weren't ready, so I didn't buy them. So I just bought the guacamole. I love this one, by the way. And every so often they have this one on sale. Did you know you can freeze guacamole? Okay, so if it's on sale, buy it. Take the one you're going to use and leave it out, and the other one, freeze it. It keeps for a very long time. You need onion and you need cucumber. Now the cucumber that I'm using is what's called English cucumber. See, it's different. It's longer, thinner. It's different. So that's the one I'm going to use. Now let's set all of these ingredients, set them up so that you can see how easy this recipe is. I'm going to show you now how I put the ingredients in my NutriBullet and how easy it is to cook. One thing I want you to remember is recipes are just guidelines. You modify them to your own needs and your own taste. So here we go. The first thing that I did is I started to dissolve my bouillon. So I put in about 2 teaspoons into 1 cup of water, and then later I may add more water. It all depends how it's looking. These are my cucumbers, and you don't have to even peel them if you don't want to. Some people don't peel them. Some people peel them and they also take out the seeds. I peeled them, but I did not take out the seeds. And then you just throw them in there. So this is about what? I don't know, 3 cups. You know, in measuring everything, I'm kind of a disaster. But that's about 3 cups. I'm going to go ahead and start it just a little bit so I can bring it down. And I just want to start blending some of the ingredients. And like I said, I'm going to do it hot. So you just throw everything in there. This is 2 or 1? No, this is 1 teaspoon of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. And I'm also going to put in a teaspoon of lemon or lime. You can use whichever one you want. I'm also going to go ahead and put in some onion. I'm using red. You can use red. You can use white. Now, if you were cooking this, because I'm going to be doing it semi-raw, but if you were cooking this, you would be sauteing your garlic, you would saute your onions, you would actually thinly slice your cucumbers, and you'd saute them too, believe it or not. So I'm using a large garlic clove. You can use a large one or 2 small ones, whatever you like. Honey, it's up to you. It is your taste. So I like things salty and put some salt and some pepper in there. Again, your taste. And, you know, I'm going to put in some of this cayenne pepper or cayenne. I have to learn how to pronounce it. I have no clue how to pronounce it. So I'm going to put some of that in there. Not too much because the garlic is raw, so the garlic is going to really make it bold tasting. And here is my guacamole. So this guacamole already has some flavors in it, which is great. So it has, I guess that is some, I don't know, it's got some red stuff. What would the red stuff be? Oh, red peppers maybe? So I'm going to go ahead and put it in there. Let me see if it has ingredients of what it would have. Jalapeno. Oh, I love that. Okay, it has jalapeno pepper. Then I'm happy. It has cilantro. I am happy. Those two things are my favorite. Let's put some more because it's making me so happy. So I'm going to put some more. All right, now I need to put a little more liquid in there. So putting in a little more liquid. I'm going to make this first cold and then I'm going to make it hot. There's the rest of my cucumbers. And let me whip it up. I'm telling you, this machine, this is my baby. I love this. All right, so at this point, it's blended. I'm going to show you because you might not believe me. Look, it's blended perfectly, okay? Perfectly blended. Now, oh, this is good. This is really good. At this point, you could actually put in now your yogurt, okay? All of your yogurt goes in here. All of it. Wow, this is how I like it. I like it nice and thick. Oh, I love this. Putting in all my plain yogurt. Do not put in a flavored yogurt. What is that about? Plain yogurt. I love this. All my plain yogurt is in there. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to kick it up a notch like that chef says. I forgot his name, sorry. And now, perfect. Let me give you a clue. If you want to make it creamy, but you don't want to use dairy or cream, put in cashews. Oh yeah. This, oh yes. This is so good. Oh my gosh. This is delicious. I'm going to show you what it looks like. I don't even want to heat it up. It is just so good. This is what it looks like. Can you see that? I don't know if you can. Oh my gosh. I don't want to spill it. And I just did. This is delicious. I love this. I don't have to cook anything in here. It is great. If I wanted to cook it, all I would do, because remember, everything is in here raw. The onions are raw. The garlic is raw. The avocado, of course, is raw. This is a raw, healthy soup. It's perfect for summer, very refreshing. If I wanted to cook it hot, then I would just hit this button. I would go ahead and put this in there. I hit the button on the base, it turns red, that means it's heating it up, and then it would give me a cycle of cooking and I would have a piping hot soup. So, that's it. I hope you like my video. I sure do like this soup. So, I hope you subscribe and like, please. More important than all of that, I hope that you have a day filled with peace, love, and joy.